Hey guys, it's Matt here. So this video will be about power draw reduction for our computer. So how we do that? By working in editor. Okay. First thing is go to the Msi Afterburner and of course power your video GPU. We have our own GPU, so it can provide artifacts on there. So check what is your max position here. Okay. I can easily work like for 40-60 target, as I said in the first video. So the second way to reduce power is freezing editor to pause editor, like shortcut is Control R, yeah, okay, Control R, as you see on the layouts. Okay. Okay. Now you can reduce paper scalability to the lowest. And of course, the last part is reducing the frame rate in the editor. Go to the project settings, type frame rate, and use the fixed frame rate. Of course, it will also reduce your frame rate in package build. So before you package, you must turn this off. Okay. I will try to find the command maybe that not push this tick, and maybe we have unlocked frames in a build, but be patient there. So a short video to show you how you can reduce your power draw for computer and work smarter. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video, and see you soon. Bye.